Hello, my name is Ashley Holly, and welcome to our class, our Google Classroom over properties and changes in matter. I'm excited to introduce you to the second grade science course using Google Classroom. This course was going to be 50% synchronous and 50% asynchronous. We will use multiple resources included in the Google Suites and online activities, and it's going to include some exciting new ways to learn about matter. The first thing you need to do will be start here by clicking start here. Now, once you click there, you're going to get a welcome and introduction PowerPoint. And this PowerPoint will give you information and details about me, just so you can get to know your instructor a little bit better. Again, I'm Miss Holly, and I'm going to be your second grade math and science teacher. Here's a picture of me and my son, and he's currently in the fourth grade and just loves football. I've been teaching at Sanchez Elementary for 10 years, and I have my bachelor's degree in ESL education. Now, the course expectations will always be do your best, share with others, use kind words, and actively participate. Be curious, most importantly. Now, once you do that, you're going to get to another slide with my contact information and again, the class syllabus. Now, it's important to note that inside the syllabus, you will see different things on like the weeks, what each week will contain. So, week one, matter has texture. Week two, matter has flexibility. Week three, matter has temperature. Week four, matter can be classified in multiple ways. Week five, matter can change. Now, you will go through each weekly unit at the same pace as your others. And if you miss something, I have my attendance, I have the policy will happen and how you can find your information. If you're absent, you will just, of course, use Google Classroom and the information will be there. Now, the materials I request you bring every day is a charged laptop, your science interactive notebook, because remember, this is a synchronous class as well. Pencil eraser, colors, color pencils, scissors, and glue. Here's our grading policy for this course. And you can check your grade anytime by using Google Classrooms. But also remember, your parents can check and view your grades through the district parent portal. And at the bottom, I just left some more of my contact information so you'll have it in multiple places. Just so in case you need it, it's there. And I'm always feel free to email at any time. This is an example of our pacing calendar. Remember, I told you week one is just a more in detail from our syllabus. And we're going to start this section off with an icebreaker. And it's just a little group discussion as to why do you love science. This assignment is not graded, but please complete it within a timely manner. Now, let's share. You're going to tell me something about you. So that way I can get to know you and your fellow classmates get to know you. You're just going to complete this using Google Draw and you're going to draw your name. Well, write your name and then you'll draw a picture of you, write your birthday, how old you are, a few of your favorites, draw a picture of your family, just simple things and things so we can get to know each other since we will be in this course for the next 5 weeks. Here's a matter overview. Again, we will start with a pre-assessment. Now, there's no right or wrongs with pre-assessments. This assessment is just for you to get an idea of what you know and what you don't know. That way, when we're into the learning, you will be able to this will jog your memory and help aid you. Okay, so you'll fill out this. It's about the 4 different textures, and here's an example of one texture of matter. So now you only have to do the next 3, and an example of something that's smooth. When you're done with that, here's a little quick assess 2-question uh, worksheet that you just need to fill out and give. Remember, try your best. It's no right or wrong right now. and 15 points once you complete it. Then you'll do a group discussion. How does matter change? This is still pre-learning, so we're just trying to see what we know and figure out what we can do. Once you've completed that, there's a brain pop video that I would love for you to watch, and it's over changing states of matter. This will give you a good overview of how and what this course will entail. Next, we're going to go to the resources. I've listed the unit resources, and this is just links to the materials that we will be using over the next 5 weeks. And Science Fusion is our adoption, and we will use a lot of things from there. And it has a few little readers are to help us understand what matter is, and just a few little fun online resources that will also help aid in your learning. Then I just did another quick little calendar just because I know I told you that this class is synchronous and asynchronous, so you can have a time schedule and see when we're going to meet. But remember, daily, Monday through Friday, synchronous time will be from 12 to 12:30. Asynchronous will be from 12:30 to 1. And that's when you'll meet with your groups, go inside your class labs, and work on your device and complete the activities with your classmates. Now, week one, I did include an overview because week one is going over matter has texture. Now, remember, this is our objective. Students will understand the information and can be gathered to describe and classify properties of an object, such as texture. These 3 questions are just essential questions to help aid you in your learning. Then you will go to your video, watch this because this video is going to inform you about things with texture. Here is the vocabulary. I'm including it in week one, but this vocabulary will be used throughout the course. So week one, it has matter, physical properties, classify, sort, group, cutting, and all these vocabulary words were just here to help you, and so you can understand what's going on if you're stumped by a word. Now, our week one lesson, doesn't it look familiar? It's exactly what it is, the same pre-assessment. Now that you have all the information because of your synchronous and asynchronous learning, you can complete this. Now, this assignment will be a grade, and you are not working collaboratively. When you're done with that, you'll go ahead and complete a group discussion. What textures do we feel in the world around us, okay? And when you filled out this question and discuss it with a few of your classmates, you'll receive 20 points. Okay, let's go back to our classwork. Now, week two is set up the same as week one. Matter has flexibility, but now it's going to have the week two overview, the week two video, the lesson, what objects are flexible. So remember, when you click on all of these, it will link you to the same things, but now you'll just fill it out and turn it in. Now, what objects are flexible? Then, lastly, we'll have a check-in. And this check-in is just a quick little assignment to let me know how you're feeling about the course and if there's anything I can do that can help you. We will have check-ins periodically throughout this course and mostly after each week just to get a temperature check on how everyone's doing. Again, this is a quick little overview or video on how we're going to use this course. If there are any questions, please feel free to email me at any time. Thank you very much.